In the metals market, copper recovered a little bit, up 0.75% after making a new low yesterday. The new low for 2019, which again was made yesterday, is the lowest price level in over 2 years. Copper has basically been on this precipitous downtrend, even though some of the Chilean mines, anticipating slower demand, especially out of China, cut their production. That still hasn't affected the price of copper today, notwithstanding. We got a little bit of a rally today, but it wasn't enough from a technical standpoint, from a fundamental standpoint, to recover the overall trend of copper at all. China was labeled a currency manipulator today by the U.S. They designated them officially through the Treasury Department, which is the official body that does this on the direction of the president to the IMF. They have to actually prove their case before there's any sort of damage done to the ability of China to do business, any sort of international IMF imposed sanctions, and then they wouldn't even necessarily have to abide by those sanctions theoretically. But this did exacerbate trade tensions, which kept a cap on copper. Even though we got that little bit of a recovery today, a lot of that might have been about a little bit of the dollar weakness that we got today that could have helped copper appreciate. Dollar's been down 2 of the last 3 days. But copper inventories have also dropped. They've dropped by about 16,000 tons since mid-July. That's a big move given the short time frame that that's happened. So you would have expected to see a copper floor much sooner than this. Maybe this is the floor that the market's been waiting for, but until there's a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel for demand, especially Chinese demand, it isn't likely that we get that basing. Today might have just been a little bit of a relief and an extended sell-off.